Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Tuesday, September 24th. Picture retake day will be on Monday, September 30th from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Students who did not get their photo taken on the first picture day need to do this time. Any student wanting to retake their photos should plan to have their photo taken then as well. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent to your email. Get your team together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. Tonight, junior high cross country will be at home tonight for the Paoli Invite starting at 5. JV and varsity ball will be traveling to Gordon starting at 5:30. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. There will be a meeting today for anyone in grades 9 through 12 who are interested in joining varsity wrestling this winter. We will meet at 8 a.m. in the wrestling room for a brief informational meeting. Please see Coach Emmerich if you cannot attend this meeting. I'm Kaulen Extra after the news. Have a fantastic day. Oh, you're in here now? Okay. I forgot to record it, so I had to restart.
Oh my god.
It's recording this time.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Picture retake day will be on Monday, September 30th to 8. Hold on a second, I'm out of breath. Picture retake day will be on Monday, September 30th from 9. Picture retake day will be Monday, September 30th from 8 a.m. I suck at this. Picture retake day will be from This is the last time I got this.